Area of a triangle, half AB sine C. You will have come across the area of a triangle in this format. This is used in either a right angle triangle or a triangle where you know the perpendicular height. For example, if we knew the base B and the height of this triangle, or the base B and this perpendicular height of this triangle. If, however, in this triangle you are not given the perpendicular height, but they give you two sides and an included angle, which means the angle between the two sides, we can use the following formula, which is area equals half AB sine C. So in the formula, these are the two sides that you have, and then big C is the angle between the two sides. So in this triangle, we'd have A, B, and then the angle C in the formula. If, however, I'd labelled my triangle differently, so instead of A, B, C, I had C, A, B, my formula would be different. So again, the two sides that you have, A and C, and the angle in between is B. So AC and then angle B. And again, if it wasn't CAB but BCA, again, the formula would be half BC sine A. So again, the two sides that you have, B and C, and the angle in between, which is angle A. So let's go back to the beginning. So we have the area equals half AB sine C, and all we do is we substitute in our values. So we've got our two sides we know and our included angle. We put it into the calculator and we get 9.06 centimetres squared to 3 significant figures. So here we have another example. So we have, once again, two sides and we have the included angle. So let's label our triangle. So we have triangle ABC. So the two sides that we have are B and C, and the included angle is angle A. So the formula will be a half BC sine A. Substituting our two values for B and C and angle A. Put it in our calculator and we get 74.2 centimetres squared to 3 significant figures. Now you don't need to worry too much about labelling the triangle. The main thing is that you do half multiplied by the two sides you have times by the sine of the angle you have, and that's it. So let's have a look at one more example. So we have triangle PQR and we have to find the area of the triangle. So again, let's just check. We have two sides and an included angle. Now this side is kind of a red herring. We don't need it because we have two sides with the included angle. So we're going to do half multiplied by our 6 times 7 multiplied by sine of our angle 35, which looks like this. And then when we put that into our calculator, we get the answer of 12.045, and the 3 significant figures is 12.0 centimetres squared. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video and then try these. How did you get on? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and try again.